see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low and swing. Texas up in this thing.
Ooh, almost to 50K. It's your girl Cat Cry Style, and today I thought I'll come on here and show you guys my everyday soft glam makeup look. Now this was my jam. This was my go-to makeup look every day. Well, damn near every day. You know, when I can get out the house every day. Now before you do anything, before I get into this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, okay? And also that notification bell, because I notice a lot of my subscribers hit the subscribe button but not the notification bell, and then they be like, what's up? But enough of my yapping, let's get into this video. I'm ready to look sexy. I'm ready to get sexy. I'm ready to look good. Let's get into this video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I already applied my eyebrows off camera, and do not mind my hair. You guys know that when it's all said and done, when it's all over, it's gonna be looking bomb, okay? Bomb. So I already prepped my face. I didn't prime it yet, but I just prepped it with the oil. And this is by Hibiscus Unspottable Correcting Oil. This oil right here, focus, focus. To me, it's the best oil, but this is my favorite oil that I tend to go to before I prime my face and put on my foundation. And y'all know I always come up on here on my makeup tutorials with some crack ass lips. Whew. Now I need to put on my primer. And this is my favorite primer. You know, I tried a lot of primers, but this primer right here, to me, I cannot find a better primer. What is going on with my hair? I hope this turned out right. Ain't no hope. I know. I have faith. This hair is gonna turn out right. I cut it in layers last night. I tried to curl it. I don't know how the curls came out because, as you can see, I still got it pinned up, but I hope it come out right. I know what I'm doing though. I'm pretty skilled. All right, and I got this cut on my eye, underneath my eye. Oh, how in the world I got it? I be wrestling with my sons, because y'all know I got 3 boys, and I be bullying them, I ain't gonna lie. Now that I primed my face, I am going to, no, I'm not gonna go in with the Fenty foundation right now. I'm just not gonna do that. Do my eyes first. Go in with this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Amande. Oh, I'm running out. I need to get more of this because this is my jam. Just going to spread this out with the Morphe M174 brush. And I'm just going to blend that in with the Beauty Blender. Y'all, I put on my makeup like so messy. I just be slabbing and dabbing and slabbing everything on. First, when I get in front of the camera, I try to make it a little neat for y'all. But for the most part, I just be slamming this makeup on, especially my eyebrows. I really just be throwing them things on. I'm gonna get them tonight. To go in with the Fenty. Wait, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna. I keep going towards that Fenty foundation. That's my favorite foundation. Okay, so now from the Modern Renaissance palette, dark orange color right there, Apply that to the outer crease. First, I'm gonna dab. I like to dab it on first and then blend. Using this as a transition shade, and this is like my favorite transition color. Out of the Soft Glam palette, I'm going to go in with Sienna to the crease. This will be right here a soft transition. It's a little darker than the Real Gar shade, the first shade that I applied to the outer crease. It's just a little darker, but you want to slowly transition. You know, we want to take our time to get in them draws. I'm basically just doing both, dabbing it on and blending, dabbing it on and blending. I need to look at a video on how to take my contacts out with these long behind nails. You're not that long. I used to wear them longer than this. I'm talking about I used to have them SWV nails, baby. They used to be like this long. But ever since I had my last boy, I'm like, because I scratched them up one time on an accident. And I was like, oh, never again. I cannot wear the SWV nails no more. So now I'm going to go in with the Tasha Denona little eyeshadow palette, cute little 5 eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take this middle shade right here. Apply this to the crease over that Sienna shade. And I'm gonna start like right here, and I just start blending it out, but I always like to start right here when I do my crease shades, because it just gives it, see, like a more dimensional, like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but when you put on your lashes and everything, it just make everything look, you know? I take this up a notch, and with Good Is Gone instead of Pump, this color right here. And I'm just blending all that together. I'm about to cut that crease, because y'all know I live for a cut crease. So I'm gonna go in with the Armande by NARS. Apply this to the middle part of my eye. Look up at you to see where I start to cut the crease. I normally do not like to cut my crease on camera. I remember the very first time I cut my crease. Bow liquor here. Had to cut that crease off camera so I wouldn't look like a fool. Yeah, I'm gonna take the translucent shade by La Mercier. I'm just gonna dab that on, and I'm gonna be very, very careful. I could have just took this brush first time to apply the powder all over my lid, but I'm just so extra, talking about extra to fine. It look the same. Brush by MAC, I'm gonna take this brush to take the shade Crazy, because I can get a little crazy, from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking it to align to make my cut crease sharp. And you want to be very careful, because you do not want to F up that cut crease that you just work so effortlessly and so hard on. Spent all day trying to perfect. I'm just slowly blending it out in upper stroke motions. This shade right here. Apply this to the lid. This color is not working for me. I'm going to go in with Dusty Rose from the Soft Glam palette. I can never go wrong with this color. This is the perfect shade for that soft glam look. Like, look at it, it's not doing too much. Soft glam looks is the best looks on dark skin tones. I love to see a girl with a soft glam makeup look that's chocolate like me. It is the prettiest of all makeup looks. To me, it's the prettiest. I'm going to take Thick Skin by the Jaclyn Hill palette again, this color right here, and I'm just going to put it right up in there, like that. Give it a little bit more dimension. I'm going to take this black right here and take it to the corners of the eyes. Just dab it right there. I'm just going to blend that out. Now for my liner, I'm going to take I'm going to be using two. I'm going to be using the Sex Kitten by Tarte, and then I'm going to be using the ABH in Jet. Okay, so I'm going to be using both of these. I'm just going to use this to wing it out, and I'm going to use this to fill it in. Too Faced Damn Girl. I really like this mascara a lot. It used to be Better Than Sex. That used to be my jam. But now I am loving Damn Girl. Alright. And these lashes are so dramatic. Oh my gosh. So now that I have on these lashes by Bomb Lashes, and now we can move into the Fenty foundation in the shade 430. Let's go. I just recently found my shade, okay? And I know it looks a little lighter when applying it, but it blends, it matches my skin tone, okay? I have like a golden undertone, and it matches me perfectly. You'll see. Just wait. You'll see. Just wait. And I thought 450 was my shade, but I learned the hard way that it's not. Now I'm just taking the Beauty Blender to blend that out. See? Told you. Match me perfect. Gosh. Y'all, I really did not think that these lashes were gonna look this cute on me, but these lashes look so cute on me. So normally I just be throwing my eyebrows on, but I kind of took my time today doing my eyebrows because I wanted to be extra fleeky for this soft glam look. Highlight, heading with the Amande, of course, if I can find her. There she go.
People highlight under their eye?
Yeah. Yeah, my daughter, she don't know nothing about makeup. I've been trying to get her into makeup, and she's slowly coming around. But y'all know I got 3 boys and 1 girl. So my girl, she's basically a tomboy. She's still girly now, but she's still a tomboy. And I've been trying to get her into doing makeup. So she's learning, guys, how to get beautified like her mommy. Love you, Shiggy.
Love you too, Mommy.
I used to not put a lot of makeup on my nose, and then by the end of the day, I'll notice that my whole face is dead and my nose is just shiny and oily. So I learned the hard way. I start right here, just right between the eyes. And I would like to put a little on my forehead, not a lot, just a little bit. And like a dab on my chin. I'll put some more up underneath my eyes. A little on the sides of my nose. Okay, so now I'm about to blend this out with that brush that I use to apply my foundation. I like to blend my concealer out on my nose with my fingers. And my chin, can't forget my chin. I used to not highlight my chin, but now I do. Now this is coming together, isn't it, Shiggy? Mm-hmm. And I'm gonna blend this out with the Beauty Blender. So now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier concealer to set that concealer. I said using Laura Mercier. Now I will be taking the Laura Mercier powder to set this concealer. Taking notes, Shiggy?
Wow, you have a lot of neutral palettes.
I know. And the little excess just all around my mouth. Y'all already know I'm going to be using the Fenty foundation, the Fenty stick in the shade Espresso. I love this shade because it adds so much warmth. Like most concealers have like a cool undertone, but this has so much warmth. And I don't like cool undertone concealers because it tends to look, over time, it tends to look gray, like ashy, like casket ready like look, and I don't like that look. I like to look warm, alive, awake, and sexy. And I'm gonna take my time and drag it down because I need this nose to be snatched. I'm gonna drag that up towards the eyebrows. Just for extra dimension. There we go. Cause I wanna look like a cute kitty. So now with these crusty ass lips, I'm going to be blending this out with the Real Technique sculpting brush. Okay, now I'm just taking my fingers to blend that contour out. Mess up, please don't mess up. You got on these nails, please. I know y'all like, why you just want to use a brush? Cause I want to be flawless, bitch. Thing with the Beauty Blender, because this make everything look super flawless. And that's what I'm about when I do my soft beat looks. I'm all about looking flawless. So now I'm just going to take the MAC's Dark Deepest and I'm going to sweep this Laura Mercier powder off, the setting powder off. Brush by Real Techniques. So now I'm going to be taking Mocha Mami bronzer to bronze my face.
It looks so nice.
Aw, thank you, mommy. Fix my eyebrows. I messed them up again. So now I'm just gonna spray down with the Mario Badisco spray. I'm gonna go in with glistening to the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking Fenty's Beauty Cheeks Out in the shade Summertime Wine. And I normally don't like to put blush right on the apples of my cheeks anymore because I'm getting older, child. Huh? You wanna go in my bathroom? Go in that bathroom. Tell everybody, hey, Donji. Come here.
I was crying.
Why you was crying?
Because
I'm gonna take some of that cheeks out and apply that to the nose. Put on my lip liner by Crucifix. Well, by Crucifix, by Kat Von D in the shade Crucifix. Taking Too Faced's Child Star. And Too Faced Sex on the Peach.
Left cheek, right cheek, drop it low and swing. So you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain.